Hi, I'm Carol. Okay, today I know we're supposed to have another video about piano practice, but I want to slot in something different today. I want to help parents understand more about their children's behavior so that their life can be easier. So I can read children's behavior quite well, at least for what I feel lah. So I always tell all my children, like, I have this superpower. I can tell when they are lying. So let's start with something quick and simple today. That is, why children don't keep their promise. Even though they understand very well what they are promising, but they just didn't get to follow. Let's say a very common example. Maybe your child finished his homework, then he come to you and ask for a screen time. Then you think, okay, he did his homework, so you just pass him your phone, and then he very happy, right? He get it, right? And then you go like, oh, but 20 minutes only. After that, you have to practice your piano already. Okay, then he's so happy, and he go, okay, no problem. While he looking for the game he want to play, a peaceful, happy 20-minute pass. Then you go, maybe oh, Alex, 20 minutes up. You need to stop now. Then that's where the patterns start to come, you know. He's like, oh, but I haven't done yet. I still have to build this. I don't know what game children usually play, but they're going to come up with a lot of things they're not done yet. Then, of course, you'll be so kind and go, okay, 5 more minutes, that's it. Then, yeah, okay, 5 minutes, yes, mommy. So later, 5 minutes over, you tell him to stop, and the same thing come again. Okay, maybe you are very, very nice, and you go, another 5 more minutes, okay. So another 5 more minutes pass. This is a very long example. This time, your 5 minutes, maybe your fire is also building 5 minutes, building up. So the last 5 minutes, you are saying like, okay, Alex, so many 5 minutes already, you need to stop. Then you stomp right to your kid, you grab back your phone. Then you go, already so nice, I already give you more than 30 minutes. How long more do you want? Stop now and go practice your piano. Okay, so then he stomp off to practice his piano. Then you stomp back to your computer and continue your work. Then yeah, no beautiful music is gonna come out from the piano. It's gonna be messed up. Okay, so let's break down and trace back. Okay, it won't be very long. So why your kid don't keep their promise? Is it he don't understand? Cannot be, right? Or he don't take you seriously? Let's don't go there. Okay, every kid take their parents seriously. It's just the situation. So I know people say like, you know, give your child, set them a time, you know, let them have the responsibility to work on the time they have for their things. But you might feel, why I see other people doing it well, why mine always end up fighting? So knowing it is one thing, but executing it is different. Like, a lot of people know what they should do, what should they help their children with, but how? It's the executing part that's tricky, which take a lot of patience. So there's 3 main things that we can take note the next time when you try to work this time thing with your children. Okay, first thing, like I say, patient, right? So when you give the instruction, make sure he's looking at you and you are looking at him also. You know, sometimes, like, I remember the last time I was giving an instruction to a kid. So he's already packing his bag, and I go, oh, remember to bring your exercise book next week. And then he said, yeah. No, that's a no for me. I hug his bag, I take his bag, and I say, look at me. I want you to remember to bring your exercise book next week. Then he's like, yeah, I'm listening. I said, no. Not only ears, I want your eyes. Yeah, you see, this take time, okay? It takes time. But of course, you just take that maybe less than 1 minute to make sure he look at you and cut your instruction really short. He will bring, Okay, no problem, he will bring. Sometimes I will also make the mistake like too fast. He's packing his bag, already preparing for another class. Then it happens like, oh, remember to bring, but you won't never bring. No, never bring. So yeah, eyes, okay? If you know that it's an important message, okay, look at him, he look at you, that it will work, alright? So like the example just now, he already got his phone, very happy looking for the game that he won, and you go like 20 minutes. Ah! Okay. So he yeah, but I'm sorry, but honestly, he's just entertaining you only. Your child is just entertaining you, like, okay, so that you know you don't keep talking and you don't keep repeating your instruction. He just okay. Then he can continue to be with his game, you know. So yeah, he's entertaining you only. Okay, now number 2, this is the hard work part. Okay, so the next 20 minutes, right, you won't have a full 20 minutes for yourself. So when you are doing your work, you have to look out the time, because of course people say, like, you know, for them to have their responsibility, to work out the time they have, but they are still children, you know. When children plus game, nothing else is important anymore, okay? Their responsibility is also gonna put aside. So it's hard work for parents, okay? So your 20 minutes, about maybe going 15 minutes, you have to start prompting your children. So this is the second thing, prompt your children. Like, okay, Alex, I see 5 more minutes is going to be up, so you need to start wrapping up. Then, short and sweet, remember? Okay, so your 5 minutes is up. You need to walk to your child, okay? Whatever he or she is playing, then take a look, and then you go like, hey, your 20 minutes is up. Or you can let the alarm ring, okay? Then you walk to him. Then you can look at the game. If it's really like, maybe, you know, if he's really fighting his last tank, or it's really left like a few blocks. Okay, I don't know what games children play now. So, if it's really left that little bit, right? Okay, I think just sit beside them and say, maybe like, okay, I record halfway, but the battery died. So this one can't have the mic. I'll try to speak louder, but hopefully the sound is okay. Alright? So, where was I? So I was saying, it takes time, okay? At the beginning, definitely they're going to, you know, just stay calm. The more your child, the more you, okay? And then like just now I do, right? Hold the phone, and the main thing is you tell them, I know it's hard to stop. I know, okay? But a promise is a promise, okay? Right after your piano practice, if you do it properly, I believe there is more time for you. Definitely give them the confirmation of, you know, they can always play again, you know, if they do what they need, okay? We can always touch on that topic the next time. I believe a lot of people hear that before. Finish what you need before you do what you want, okay? So let's go to the third one first. Praise your child's action, the things he do, not what he done. So let's say you gave him 30 minutes to practice piano, right? So he finished the 30 minutes of practice. So praise his action, like he done the piano practice, not like, wow, sounds so nice, you play so nice. Then you stop, you know. So what he do to play so nice, he or she don't know. So you can say, I can see you are focusing really well and you actually finish in time. You actually can have more time for new games. the whole cycle go again, huh? So you don't go straight and say like, wow, you play so nice, even you can do, I cannot. No need that you can do, I cannot. I hear a lot of parents like to say that, like telling them they can do something they cannot. It gives them confidence, yes, but sometimes it depends on children. Sometimes too many ego, after that you will say like, hey, I cannot control my children. Okay, so praise is action, okay? Like praise is focus, praise is willing, to pause the game and focus, okay? Yeah, so again, there's a lot of, types of children, types of parents, types of teacher out there, many different styles. What I share here is just like a general guide, like what I do, how I guide the children. Of course, there's many different other way. Like today is just a very simple example. Let's say if your children didn't react the way I say, it's normal, okay? Like let's say one method we use, so many different type of reaction come back, and we always have different types of way to help. So don't feel lost, don't feel hopeless, okay? I leave my contact in the description box below. If you need help, just email me. I'll do my best to help. Then see you the next time. Bye bye. I already so nice, so nice. So let's